What's happening today? I'm working on the JZX100 Cresta. About a week ago, mate Josh let me his wet vac, and I was like, this interior needs a clean. It was stinking. I'll put a photo in of my carpets before up here if I have a photo, but they were absolutely disgusting. This is them now. See, before you couldn't even see that there was a pattern. They were just brown. Whereas now you can actually see the pattern in them. They're all looking mint. The rears are there, they're just flipped upside down. But you're probably wondering, why the fuck are the lights out of the car? Look at the state of the back there. Leaving the side lights out. Well, they're yellow. They're very yellow. You can see it in this wee corner here. It's clear. So I just need to get the rest of it like that. That's just a bit that hasn't yellowed. So even though the rears are quite mint, I was like, if I'm wet sanding something, I'm gonna wet sand it all. So I'm gonna wet sand them at 1400 and then 4000, and then I'll polish them tomorrow and we'll get this thing looking mint. What I'm also gonna do is wax all inside of here tonight. So I've detarred this, clay barred this, TFR'd it, snow foamed it, washed with a brush. Inside of the boot sap mint as well. So I'm gonna get all new bulbs in the rear. I've sat and cleaned up all this. So what my plan is today, I'm gonna wet sand the lights, gonna get them ready for polishing tomorrow so they're looking mint. I'm gonna do these ones here, the fronts, the sides, pretty clear, so I think I'll leave them. But the only thing is, if you look at this, if I can do it with one hand, is this the one? Yeah, it is. Look here. If it focuses. This lens is kind of pulling away, so I need to buy some clear CT1 sealant. It's like an adhesive sealant. That should hopefully fix that. I'm going to get that tomorrow while I'm in work, and then I'll fix that tomorrow night. So I'll be doing the first part of this today and the rest tonight. So then once I've got those polished, I'll get the car jacked up. I got myself a new set of jacks. Big up halters. They didn't give me any discounts, so I don't know why I'm saying big up halters, but got myself 4 new jack stands. So I'm gonna jack his car up and take the wheels off, wash inside the wheel wells, and I'm hopefully gonna order a set of arch liners for the front of the JZX Cresta, because it came from Japan with fucking nothing. And as you'll see, there's a big hole here, and all the dirt comes right through and up and into the engine bay. And the other side's even worse, because there's a big hole here, so all the dirt just comes up off the wheel into there and gets my car stinking, because there's no arch liners in this at all. So plan is, I got the part number for the arch liners for this car. I'm gonna call them tomorrow, try to get them ordered. I called them yesterday, they said they'd call me back. I called them today, they said they'd call me back, they haven't. So tomorrow I'm calling them, and if they said they're calling me back saying, you're not, here's part number, give me a price, I want them. No, so I would try to give you a guide on how to wet sand the headlight, but I'm gonna be honest, it's been a good while since I've done it, so I'll talk you through as we go along. Got a sprayer, fill the water, and we've got, this is 1200, and then we pre-cut discs of 4000. So this is the before, and we'll show you the after. You can actually kind of see the difference between the clear and the yellow there, like where it starts. So let's get this on. So I actually ended up spending about an hour on the two headlights, and I'm pretty happy with them, but like as you can kind of see, let me get like the light to hit them right here. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. They're still a wee bit yellow, so I'm not sure whether the polish will take that out of them or whether I need to keep sanding through that. So I'm gonna ask a few of my mates tonight what they think, and I may end up coming back tomorrow and sand them more, but it's 10 o'clock at night. I've got work in the morning, so I'm not even gonna get a chance to jack this thing up tonight. I'll have to do it tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for part 2. So day 2, Jack's decided to paint his wheels white. They're originally grey, which is pretty nice, like, but white's definitely the move, like. Suit the car way nicer. So we're gonna be buffing these headlights. Reese lent me his buff, and yesterday, as you saw, I was sanded the fuck out of them. They're looking pretty decent. I'm still not 100% happy with them, if I'm honest, but I'm hoping the buff will take the rest of kind of the yellowness out of them. It's not even the haziness, it's more the yellowness that was annoying me. So we'll give these a go with some compound and see how they come out. So I just sat with the buff and with some Svizzer heavy cut, some Svizzer's hologram remover, and then some McGuire's Ultimate Compound, and I buffed the fuck out of the headlights, and holy crap, mate. Let me like let me hold this up into the light. Look at that, like. So what I'm gonna do, I did the taillights as well, and their shopment as well. So what I'm gonna do is, the only thing I need to do for these is put a bit of CT1 on one of them. So I'm gonna set the side lights to the side for now, and I've got myself some Navi wax here, and it should give them about a year of protection. So let's get the fitting up. So I've got myself a fresh cloth, and this is the iron coat, the same stuff that's in the tube. You can literally put it on glass and put it on everything. So it's so easy to do. Comes with a sponge. Let me twist. Get it here. Like that. For this week's video. It's a bit of a shorter video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. What we'll be doing next, the rest of is a good few things planned. So I ordered a set of arch liners and they're due to come for the front because the engine bay gets stinking. So my plan is, right, I'm not going to drive this car. I'm not going to drive it until the arch liners come, so I'm going to sit and clean the engine bay. I'm going to take the wheels off, I'm going to clean inside the arches. I'm going to get tires for the new wheels, put the new wheels on, see how they fit. Hopefully, once I get paid here at the end of the month, I can afford to get the front upper arms, and I'll get those upper arms ordered. If I can't, then it'll be next month. And then next month is when the wheels will be going on permanently. But I'll just be test fitting the wheels to see how the fitment is and kind of how they look with the new tyre. I'm going to go for a 235/40 on the new wheels and stick with a 225/40 on the crans, just because I can get them cheap. I want to drift, and my goal is that I'm able to drift this car. Like I do, go to BDD and do a full drift day in the Cresta. But talking of drift days, I'm not going to drive it until I get these arch liners, because there's no point getting the engine bay stinking if I'm going to spend ages getting it done. I have a few more plans for the engine bay. I'm going to get a battery mount 3D printed for it, which would be pretty cool. So I'm going to sit and measure that up. I actually might do it tonight before I leave, measure that up, and then it means I can design it all before I go. So I'll see you guys next week.